Hey folks, Rich here at RCINFORMER. Got Steve on the camera. Today we just have the E-flite F-4 PHANTOM II, 80mm 6L, but we got it with fully loaded with missiles. I haven't had the missiles on it yet. You can see they come on and off real easy. Hopefully they don't fall off while we're flying it, but they all just slide on and off like that. You can see real easy. We did a pre-flight off camera already to make sure everything's working, gear's working nice. And we're going to kind of explore how it is with the missiles and stuff on it. We just hadn't had it out here yet. I am, for this flight, since I'm out of Smart Packs right now, I'm running a Roaring Top 5500. You can see I only have it under one strap. It's pretty secure down there on my battery floor. So be sure to check out the other videos we have on this, folks. Just click on the upper right-hand corner where you see the white information card. Click on that eye, the circle. You'll get all the other videos, guys. We got an unbox, a build, setup. We've also got flights off of grass and, you know, big batteries, all that stuff. So, you ready, Steve? All right, let's roll here, man. We got some guys running some glow over there. Let's see if we can go with the glow working there. Let me run the motor up here, Steve. All right, here we go. All right, let's get flaps down. All right, he's gonna, all right, his engine's quit. Let's go. All right, flight control check, right, left, up, down. Flaps set. Let's go flaps for takeoff. I'm not sure which way, yeah, I think we go the other way. Let's do that. I'm watching the other traffic. We got other traffic out here, folks. Let's get it down there. This is one of the nicer planes. I love flying this thing. I'm curious to see how it's gonna do with the missiles. So, folks, check out our Instagram page and our Twitter. We're putting up stuff on Instagram every day. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get alerted to new videos. Steve, you got that mic on?
Yep.
All right, here we go. On the center line. Take it off! All right, right up there. Gear and flaps are coming up. I tell you, this has got to be one of the sweetest EDF jets out there. I'm talking like just flies well, easy to put together, only a few screws to assemble it. Let's come by hot, Steve, and let's see what it does full power. It's still fast with the missiles. Wow. There's 3 drop tanks, 2 sets of looks like Phoenix missiles, or not Phoenix, but Sidewinders or something. But man, I don't even notice much of a difference with this. That's full throttle, full out. That's moving. I am impressed with this bird. Let's bring it on down here. Power's off. I'm just kind of gliding it on by, Steve. Power's coming back in. I'm going to drop full flaps here, Steve. Full flaps here. Little slow flight on it. Flaps coming back up. I tell you, I am impressed with this airplane. There is just nothing faster out of the box than this thing. Let's go inverted with it. Sweet. Landing gear and flaps are coming down. See if we can get it on the runway here. Takeoff flaps going back up, gear flaps coming up. Beautiful bird. I tell you, the AS3X makes a big difference when you're flying a Phantom, when it's doing its job. Let's get down low, Steve. Bringing it in hot over the ridge. That looks cool with those missiles. Outstanding. What do you think, Steve?
Sweet.
If only I had a little napalm to drop. that would complete the realism.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's bring it on in, Steve. Power's coming in. What a sweet model.
Pretty.
My Lord, what a beautiful machine that they have made with this. This thing just flies fantastic right out of the box. I'm trying to remember, I think it was 4 wing screws. and I think it was like 2 tail screws. It was like 6 or 7 or 9 screws, not much. I mean, it went together so easy. And we hadn't flown it since that last grass flight, Steve, I think. What an awesome machine. I mean, just check this out. Guys, we got links below if you guys want to get one of these at Horizon. If you get one through our link, it does support our channel. Check us out on Instagram and Twitter. Once again, folks, check those links below. And please, folks, please like and subscribe if you guys like what you see here. Me and Steve are always trying to put out, you know, the best videos we can for you guys. Let's see if everything stayed on nicely. Let me retract the gear, make sure we're doing well. Looks good. One note, Steve and I did, our drop tanks were a little bit like loose going on here. So I'm going to show you what I did. They were kind of loose, so I stuck. Can you get on that, Steve? Yep. I jammed a little piece of paper in there because they seem kind of loose. That's just sort of a little trick if they're loose. I just didn't want them coming off, so if you do that, it'll kind of tighten them up going on there. So I feel a little more secure having something kind of wedged in there. So, but anyway, Steve, what do you think, man?
Sweet.
It's like Vietnam all over again every time I fly this thing. It is simply outstanding. One of the best, easiest, quickest, best flying jets, EDF jets, out of the box, guys. E-flite F4. Steve, I think that's it for this. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, guys, we'll see you next time.